Hello friends, hope all of you are fine and doing well. Today in this video, I am going to show some neurological terms that have great importance in history taking, history reading and in medical field. So without wasting of time, let's start. I organized these terms as such: name of term, meaning and relative images. So only 22 terms will be discussed in this video. Let's start. Acalculia, inability to calculate. Agnosia, inability to interpret sensations such as sound, called auditory agnosia. Inability to interpret touch, called tactile agnosia. Inability to interpret symbols, called visual agnosia. Agraphia, inability to write. Akinesia, loss of the ability to initiate movement and episodes of freezing during movement. Alexia, inability to read. Aneurysm, a bulge in the blood vessel, usually an artery, caused by weakness in vessel wall. Allodynia, a painful response to a non-noxious stimulus. Amnesia, total or partial loss of memory. Anomia, inability to name objects. Anosmia, loss of ability to smell. Amusia, impaired recognition of music. Anosognosia, denial of ownership or existence of a hemiplegic limb. Aphasia, inability to generate and understand language, whether verbal or written. Apraxia, a motor planning disorder characterized by an ability to perform learned movement despite instinct, power, sensation, coordination, perception, and understanding. Astereognosis, inability to recognize objects by touch alone despite intact sensations. Ataxia, shaky and coordinated voluntary movements that may be associated with cerebellar and posterior column disease. Athetosis, involuntary writhing movements affecting face, tongue, and hands. Balismus, sudden, involuntary, violent flinging movements of limbs, usually unilateral. Bradykinesia, slowness of movement. Bulbar, relative to or involving the medulla oblongata. Chorea, irregular, jerky, and involuntary movement. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.